Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome to a new day. So today for brunch, I am going to start with one of my favorite peanut sesame rice noodle kits. If you haven't seen me do these before, I'll show you what's in the kit. This is new packaging for the product that I normally order, so I'm hoping that it's all the same. The nutrition is slightly different, but I'm hoping it should all be the same. So I'm going to open this kit today, and then I'm going to have that. Now, the rice noodle kits, this one is quite high in carbs. It's within my carb macros for the day, but I do have to be careful about what I have for dinner because this meal, as I have it all together, is like 88 of my 111 carbs. So well within what I can do, but I do just have to have a lower carb dinner. All right, to this, as well as what is actually in the kit itself, I am going to add some dried seaweed. So basically that looks like that, and that rehydrates. I'm going to add some pickled baby corn. I'm going to do a little bantam egg, like a ramen egg. I have some mushrooms left over from yesterday. I have some green onion tops that I've cut up. Some water chestnuts. For my protein component, I'm going to add some shrimp. And then I'm going to have some fresh lime juice with that. So this is going to be brunch. Okay, so this has more packets in it than it has previously, so I don't know, maybe it's not going to be the same, but we'll see. They have gorgeous art on it like always. Okay, this is my rice noodles. That's pretty easy. I like that they've put the little images on here. This one, this is liquid. I'm pretty sure this is a vinegar pack, and then that's the little dried peanuts. This one, I felt that this is the pickled vegetables. And then this one, I think, is the dried green onion. That's going to be the chili oil, which I don't use. This is the peanut sesame paste. Oh, well, no, oh, hang on. That's liquid. They've got onions on there. I'm not sure what that is. We'll see. And then this is the seasoning packet. Okay, so that is what comes in this particular kit. I have my noodles cooking, and I've weighed out the shrimp. And then this is what the dried seaweed or the dried wakame looks like to start with. And all you do with that is just put some water in there. And I will show you what this looks like in just a couple of minutes. All right, everything is just about ready. So this is that seaweed rehydrated. And I did my little bantam egg. Now, the other day, I was trying to do a soft-boiled bantam egg. And I use duck eggs, and the shell on them is super hard. So I was a little rough with the bantam egg, and it burst. But today, it's brilliant. That I can tell by feeling that that's going to be perfect. So this is the peanut sesame noodles as they come in the pack. The liquid that had the green onions on the outside was a scallion oil, which that didn't come in the previous one. The noodles in this are thinner, but it smells good, so it should be good. So I'm going to drain the seaweed. The shrimp and the mushrooms are just about finished. I have the egg, and then I have the water chestnuts, green onions, and baby corn. So I'll just put all that together. Hey guys, welcome back for dinner. So tonight is going to be another no-cook dinner. I need to bump my protein a little bit, and so I'm going to have one of the lemon pepper tuna packets. These are 70 calories, 0 fat, 2 carbs, and 16 grams of protein. With that, I'm just going to make a little tuna salad. I have some of my Lemonade Light. This is a 60 calorie mayo. And I have some capers, which are basically just small tart. They're like a cross between a pickle and an olive sort of thing. They just give a little bit of the same, like most people would put pickle relish in there. I like capers in there. I'm going to do some red onion and some baby cucumber. And then I just have some of the Mediterranean salad that I prepped the other day. So I'm going to have that, and that will be dinner.